Imagine revitalizing your kidneys and boosting your overall health with just a few simple drinks. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's entirely possible with natural ingredients you probably already have at home? Today, we're diving into the best natural drinks for kidney health revival. Ready to give your kidneys the love they deserve? Let's get started. Lemon water. Let's kick things off with a classic, lemon water. This refreshing drink is more than just a wake-up call for your taste buds. Lemons are rich in citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones by binding to calcium in the urine. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water and enjoy first thing in the morning. Not only does it hydrate you, but it also helps flush out toxins and keep your kidneys in top shape. Cranberry juice. Next up, let's see how cranberry juice helps. Famous for its urinary tract health benefits, cranberry juice is also a hero for your kidneys. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Opt for pure, unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid added sugars. A glass a day can make a big difference in maintaining kidney health. Beetroot juice is another powerhouse drink. Beets are high in antioxidants and nitrates, which help improve blood flow and lower blood pressure, key factors in kidney health. Drinking beetroot juice can also reduce inflammation and support your kidneys' natural detoxification processes. Start with half a cup a day and gradually increase as your body adjusts to the potent nutrients. Ginger tea isn't just a soothing drink, it's also fantastic for your kidneys. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation and improve function. To make ginger tea, slice a piece of fresh ginger root and steep it in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink it warm or cold and enjoy the kidney-boosting benefits. Dandelion tea might sound unusual, but it's a powerful ally for your kidneys. Dandelions are natural diuretics, meaning they help increase urine production and flush out toxins. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall kidney function. Brew dandelion tea using the roots or leaves, and drink a cup daily to support your kidneys. Green smoothies are a delicious way to sneak in kidney-friendly nutrients. Blend together spinach, kale, cucumber, celery, and a green apple with some water or coconut water. These ingredients are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help detoxify your kidneys and support their function. Plus, the fiber helps with digestion and overall health. Pomegranate juice is another excellent drink for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranate juice can reduce oxidative stress and prevent kidney damage. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and supports heart health, which is closely linked to kidney function. Enjoy a small glass of pure pomegranate juice daily to reap the benefits. Turmeric milk. Golden milk, made with turmeric, is a comforting drink with powerful benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This can help reduce kidney inflammation and promote overall health. To make turmeric milk, warm some milk, dairy or plant-based, and add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a bit of honey for sweetness. Drink it before bed for a soothing nightcap. Hibiscus tea is not only vibrant and tasty, but also great for your kidneys. Hibiscus has diuretic properties that help flush out excess fluids and toxins. It's also high in antioxidants that protect your kidneys from damage. Brew hibiscus tea by steeping dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for a few minutes. Drink it hot or iced for a refreshing treat. Last but not least, watermelon juice. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating and acts as a natural diuretic, helping to cleanse the kidneys. It's also packed with vitamins A and C, which support kidney health. Blend fresh watermelon chunks and strain if needed to enjoy a delicious, kidney-friendly juice. There you have it, 10 natural drinks to revive your kidney health. From lemon water and cranberry juice to beetroot juice and ginger tea, these beverages are not only tasty, but also packed with benefits for your kidneys. Incorporate them into your daily routine and give your kidneys the boost they need to function at their best. Give these drinks a try and feel the difference.